Hi everyone, this is an unboxing of the newly released color green. This is the iPhone 13 mini, and we're going to be looking at this new kind of a forest green color. So let's get into it. Just have this usual strip here that we can pull to start the unboxing of the phone. Same with on the bottom here. See right there, just like that. Put that off to the side. Okay, now it's a matter of just lifting it off. Ooh, and there it is. The nice new forest green iPhone 13 mini. So I'll carefully lift it out. I'm not too concerned with what else is in the box here because it's the same old stuff. You have the USB-C to lightning cable and some instruction packages in there. But here is the phone itself, the back of it, and it looks crisp. And in case anybody is wondering what this new green color is going to look like with just a clear case, here's a Spigen iPhone 13 mini Ultra Hybrid case. So let's pop that on there. Nice and clear. So let's pop this in. And there we go. Here's the iPhone 13. Doesn't really stand up anymore. Oh, it does still stand up. Here's the iPhone 13 mini green in a clear case. Very nice, very clean.